Elephants are big, trunks reach high, sprinkle water beneath a bright blue sky. Trumpeting loud with a joyful sound, the biggest friends you'll ever find around. Animals, animals, let's sing a happy tune. Wiggle your body, dance, neath the afternoon moon. Furry and feather, big and small, animals are the best friends of all. Animals, animals, friends of all. Animals are the best friends of all. Elephants are big, their trunks reach high, sprinkle water neath the bright blue sky. Trumpeting loud with a joyful sound, the biggest friends you'll ever find around. Animals, animals, let's sing a happy tune. Wiggle your body, dance neath the afternoon moon. Furry and feather, big and small, animals are the best friends of all. Animals, animals, friends of all. Animals are the best friends of all. Animals are big, their trunks reach high, sprinkle water neath a bright blue sky. Trumpeting loud with a joyful sound, the biggest friends you'll ever find around. Animals, animals, let's sing a happy tune. Wiggle your body, dance neath the afternoon moon. Furry and feather, big and small, animals are the best friends of all. Love all. Animals are the best friends of all. Pandas munch on bamboo with a gentle chew. Black and white fur, a cuddly crew. Rolling and tumbling, playful and slow. These gentle giants love to put on a show. Animals, animals, let's sing a happy tune. Wiggle your body, dance neath the afternoon moon. Furry and feathered, big and small, animals are the best friends of all. Monkeys swing through the trees with glee, chattering and laughing, happy and free. Swinging from branches high in the air, monkeys bring sunshine wherever they dare. Animals, animals, let's sing a happy tune. Wiggle your body, dance neath the afternoon moon. Furry and feathered, big and small, animals are the best friends of all. Cats are sneaky, soft on their paws, climbing high without a single cause. Pouncing and playing are mischievous sights, curled up, purring,